Let's discuss dehydration. Dehydration occurs when your body loses more fluid than it gets. The body contains about 60 to 70% of water, and even a small loss can affect how the body functions. This video is to tell you how the body systems of the body is affected by dehydration. Let's look at the brain. One of the early signs of dehydration includes headache, dizziness, fatigue, and weakness. This is because when there is dehydration, the brain shrinks in. It affects the mood, the memories, and even the concentration. This further severe dehydration can cause electrolyte imbalance, which may result in fainting and even seizure attacks. Next on the line is the heart. When there is severe dehydration, the heart increases its ability to pump blood because of low fluid volume. Next thing that happens is there is low blood pressure, low decrease in blood pressure, which can further lead to fainting and even weakness and tiredness. Another thing that happens to the heart is that there will be increased pulse rate. The person's pulse rate will be rapid and weak. Next on the list is the muscles and the joints. When there is electrolyte imbalance or less electrolyte, the muscles and the joints become stiffened and can even have cramps or seizures. Another thing that happens is that the joint itself will develop pain because there is not enough fluid to lubricate the spaces of the joint. The next system on the line is the kidneys and the urinary system. Because of the fact that the kidneys reabsorb water, once there is less fluid in the body, less water in the body, the kidneys will hold on to the water that is already in the body, that is there in the body. Now, this will in turn cause the kidneys to produce more concentrated urine and darker urine. Over time, severe dehydration can lead to kidney stones and even kidney failure if not treated. The next is temperature regulation. Once there is dehydration, the body can no longer produce sweat, which is supposed to cool the body down. This will lead to heat exhaustion or heat stroke. The next is the skin. The skin is not left out in this, as severe dehydration can lead to the skin becoming dry and flaky. Even the lips will suddenly start to break. The digestive system is not also left out, as dehydration can cause constipation because the body will have to now absorb the little water that is produced from the stool back to the body, which is why we always advise that you do not be stingy with drinking water. Take water regularly. There is no amount of water that you take that will harm your body, especially if you are healthy. Take enough water. Dehydration is a medical emergency. The signs involve rapid pulse rate, sunken eyes, cold clammy skin. It also involves fainting, seizure. There are a lot of things that can go wrong. Always take water. Always stay hydrated. Bye.